after that, if you are going to memorize, you will do that exercise in the corresponding letter. For example, if your answer is letter B, so you are going to do this one. Letter A first. Letter A. Are you ready? Letter A. Letter A. Perform it correctly. Letter A. Letter A. Next. Letter B. Letter B. And of course, you need to follow the facial expression. Yes. Letter B. Next. Letter C. Letter C. You need to follow this one, of course. I want you to sit on the floor. Okay. How about the learners at the back? You are going to sit down. Down like this. So you will follow me. And do this one. Okay. Do you understand? Yes. So, Musman dapat. Are you ready, class? Yes, ma'am. Try out or diretso na? Diretso na ba? Diretso na ako mga students. Okay. So, let's have a try out first. Do you have your answer now? Okay. So, I want you to memorize the letters and this one. Okay, the correct answer is letter C. Okay, do you understand? Okay, the correct answer is adjacent. But if you will get a mistake, you are going to sit down. Yes, sit down, but I will give points to those groups that will have a perfect score. Okay, ready? Are you ready? Yes. Okay, don't like this students. You are going to perform this one also. The answer is like this. Okay, question number 1. Okay, do you have the answer now? Okay, 5. 1. The correct answer is letter A. Also, you are going to down. That's okay. You need to observe your classmates. Okay, next question number 2. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C. Very good, students. How about question number 3?
Hadis sa mga yung suratan ko.
Do you have your letter now? Yes. Advance, wala pa ang kuwan. Okay, the correct answer is letter B. Everyone got the correct answer. Hindi ko nakita si Ryan. Okay, let me take your seat, Ryan. Question number 4. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is your answer, Rico? D? What? The correct answer, class, is letter D.
D and C.
Okay, question number 5.
Tatlo nga ka, no? C and D.
Ano to yung ako answer? Number ano? Number ano ito yan?
Number 5.
Okay, the correct answer 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A. Okay, sinong group yung na-perfect lahat? Okay, I'll give you, this is 5 points class, ha? 1 point and 5 for your performance task. Do you understand? Yes. so let's have another activity. So do you love activity class?
Yes.
Okay, so let's have unscrambled word. You want to leave the word unscrambled? Kasi scramble na di ka word? What do you mean by that word, unscrambled? Yes, okay, stand up. Rico, what's your idea? Okay, very good. So, with this, unscrambled is the process of reordering the letters in correct order so that they present some. Okay, everybody read the direction.
Unscramble each word and write a correct term in the space provided. These terms are related to angles and polygons.
Okay, so yesterday I told you that I don't like to watch your cell phones. I want you to put that inside your bag.
Sorry,
teacher.
Sorry, teacher.
So, direction, unscramble each word and write the correct term in the space provided. These terms are related to angles and polygons. Okay, what do you think is the answer? One. So I want you to write that one on the board. Okay, yes, Angel. Di ba like Okay, is that correct, class? Yes! That is angle. Next, number 2, Ibarra. Okay, the correct answer, class, is number 3. Yes, Nico. Okay, so the answer is Nico is, how do you read this one, Nico? Nico has an idea. So who would like to have another answer? Aside from Pologi. So let's have another answer. To have a correct answer. Yes! Christine! Yes. Okay, class, so now, is this correct?
Yes.
Is this correct, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, yes, this is correct. So this is, everybody read this one?
Polygon.
Next, how about number 4? Yes, Mika. Okay, very good, Mika. Is this correct, class?
Yes.
How about students at the back? Do you have any idea? Rico yan. Do you have any idea? How can help Rico, class? How can help Rico? To answer number 5. Okay, yes, Zainab. Okay, very good. The correct answer is stereo. So now I want you to read this one. Everybody, angle.
Angle.
Adjacent.
Adjacent.
This one.
Polygon.
This one.
Interior.
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 And the last one.
Exterior.
our lesson for today?
Different types of angles na?
Okay, that's a very good idea. Yes, angle pairs. Based on this word, so you can create, you can form 2 words or 3 words. Yes.
Maybe measuring interior and exterior angles of polygon.
Okay, that's correct. So our lesson for today is all about
Study.
interior and exterior angles of a polygon. So everybody, read our lesson purpose.
Discuss the differences between interior and exterior angles in a polygon, as well as the relationship between exterior angles and their adjacent angles.
Okay, so I want you to read again because some of the students did not read. Again, everybody, I want you to. Okay, eyes and ears on me in 3, 2, 1. Okay, again, everybody read.
Discuss the differences between interior and exterior angles in a polygon, as well as the relationship between exterior angles and their adjacent angles.
Okay, so do you have any idea, class, between interior and exterior? What do you mean by the word interior?
Inside.
Okay, inside. Kung sa Bisaya, sa manang
Sa
How about exterior? Nasa labas. For example, sa ligid sa motor, asa mo na ang interior? Ay, nasa sulod kung ma-flat ang kumabuslut ang interior, mudagan pang ligid na. Ligid na. So that is the difference between interior and
Ano yung flat?
mudagan pa Rico. Mudagan pa ni sa Rico class. Ilang ang motor ni Rico class is walay interior. Okay, then. Okay, everybody, using what you know about the words interior and exterior, you will identify whether the following angles from the figure are the interior or exterior. Again, what is interior again, class?
Inside.
Exterior?
Outside.
Okay, so you will answer interior angle or exterior angle. Angle 1. Is that interior or exterior?
Interior.
Okay, so I'd like to answer.
Interior.
Angle 1 is which one?
Angle 1, nasa sunod.
Okay, yes, stand up, Nika.
That is interior.
Okay, very good. The correct answer is interior angle. Why is it angle 1 class is interior angle?
Because it's inside the polygon.
Okay, very good. So angle 1 is inside the polygon. Or naasulod sa polygon. How about angle cloud?
Exterior.
Exterior at the back? Yes, stand up.
Exterior.
Okay, that is correct. Angel. Angel Ann. Angel Ann. The correct answer class is exterior angle. Okay, angle 7. Anyone from the class?
Exterior.
Okay, angle 7 is exterior angle. Next, angle 5.
Interior.
Okay, very good. That is interior angle. Ano na isip angle 5 is interior?
Because it's inside the
It lies inside the polygon. Next, angle 3.
interior.
Okay, angle 3 is interior angle. So now do you understand between the difference interior and exterior angle?
Yes, ma'am.
Teacher.
So now class, our lesson for today is all about exterior angle and its adjacent interior angle. So who would like to read the definition of polygon? Yes, Christina.
Polygon is a closed plane figure bounded by line segments that met only at the end of points.
Okay, so we already know class the polygons, the different kinds of polygon and how to draw a polygon. How about adjacent angle? Anyone? Yes, Lisa.
Adjacent angles, two angles that have a common side and a common vertex but do not overlap.
Okay, so adjacent angles class, we have common side and a common vertex and angles that are next to each other. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the definition between the exterior angles of a polygon and the adjacent interior angles. Everybody read what is exterior angle?
An exterior angle is an angle
draw a triangle. Okay, class, how many sides are there in a triangle?
3 sides.
3 sides, 1 side, 2 side,
So, ang
and
DF,
okay, 3 triangle first. Only triangle. My instruction is you will draw a triangle. Triangle for now. Okay. So the side DF. So this is side DF. Extended to. We are going to put a line. I need to do that. Yes. So you will put G. You will write G. And write correctly your letter F. That is correct. Is this correct, class?
Yes.
Mika is very advanced. I think Mika, do you have a tutor in her phone? No, ma'am.
Kasi yabi ko ma.
So Mika, everybody read again. Draw a triangle.
Draw a triangle DEF where side DF is extended to G.
Okay, so we have here triangle DEF and DF side DF is extended to G. So this is point G. Then what are the interior angles? Angle, everybody? Angle D. Angle. Okay, give me one interior angle.
Angle D.
Yes.
Iba na niya. Iba na.
Okay, D. For ED. And the vertex class is T. So we are going to write EDF. So, angle EDF. Let's have another interior angle. DEF. Okay, this is correct na. So, angle DEF. How about this interior angle? Everybody, what is that? DEF angle DEF or DEF. How about our exterior angle? What is the name of the exterior angle? Everybody. Okay, EFG. Do you understand? So we have here the list of interior angles and the list at the exterior angle. So what do you think is the adjacent interior angle of angle EFG? If this is angle EFG, what do you think is its adjacent interior angle? Angle DEF, DEF or DFE? Okay, the correct answer is angle DFE because they have common vertex and common side that makes them adjacent. Do you understand? Okay. So we have here. So what is our interior angle class? Angle 1 or exterior angle is angle 2. Okay, so give me the interior angles. How about students at the back?
Angle 5.
Yes, stand up, Angel. What are interior angles? What are the interior angles, Angel?
Angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3.
Okay, angle 1 and angle 2 and angle 3. How about the exterior angle? Okay, everybody, what are the exterior angles? Angle 4, 5, angle 6. So if I have here class, I have angle 6. Angle 6 is what? Interior or exterior?
Exterior.
So we will find have here the different exterior angles and its adjacent interior angle. So what do you observe in the exterior angle and adjacent interior angle?
They are supplementary.
Yes, they are supplementary angles. And of course, they form a linear pair. One of the angle pairs. Okay, so from a given figure, you will identify all the exterior angles. So who can write here in the board all the exterior angles? Yes. So we have here group 1. I want you to stand up. Here. Okay, stand up. Yes, give me one. Only one exterior. Exterior. Angle 7. Another.
Hindi rin nakaklaro na yan. Chokan.
Dapat mag-attendance mong bell.
Okay, angle 8. Here. Angle 8. Okay, angle 9. Angle 10 and another 2. From here, go to the board and answer. Rico and James.
Pira copies mong judel duhala.
Yes, here angles outside the polygon. We have already angle 7, 11, angle 8, angle 6. Oh, you can read dreams. I want you to see the figure. Is it inside or outside? Angle 6 is? Okay, inside. So we are going to find the exterior angle which is outside
Thank you.
the polygon. So from this, which do you think is exterior angle? Angle 6 or angle 11? Angle. So you will write here, James. Okay, so everybody class, read the exterior angle. Ready?
Angle 7, angle 8, angle 9, angle 10, angle 12, angle 11.
Okay, so complete the list of exterior angles and pair each one with each adjacent interior angle by placing a heart between them. So we have here, for example, angle 7. So angle 7 exterior angle, its adjacent interior angle is angle 4. So we need to put a heart, of course. So angle 7 love, angle 4. Okay, so angle 8. Sige. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So students at the back, I want you to stand up. Okay, Rico. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, stand up. Okay, I will teach you. I will teach you on how to find the adjacent interior angle.
Nakakapiyaan yung
So where is angle 8? Rico.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so this is angle 8. So what do you think is its adjacent? Iyang katapat. Okay. Okay, sige. So pakita ni mo Rico, tapat na sila. Okay, so ang atong pangitaon Rico ang iyang common vertex. Asa iyang common vertex? So this is angle 8. So asa man ang another angle yung adjacent? So this is angle 8. You have a common vertex and a common side. So we have, what is the vertex of angle 8? This one or is this one? Okay, this one. So, angle 1, are they adjusted? Dapat sila dili. Rico, dapat sa angle 8 o sa angle 1 dili. Okay. Nari sa gawas o sa sulod? Angle 8. Sa gawas o sa sulod? Okay, sa gawas. Si angle 1, nasa sulod. Since dapat man sila, adjusted sila, this is adjusted interior. You understand, Rico? Okay, you are going to write that. Alright, ito Rico, this one. Exterior. And this one. Adjusted interior angle. Okay, what is your answer? Angle A, love.
Tujuh ang pula ang
Okay. Let's clap our hands to reach the class. Okay, come in again. 1, 2, 3, 4.
artista.
Okay, stand up. Angel, Anika, stand up.
Mga anak ini yang
Angle 9 and angle 2. Is this correct, class? Angle 9 and love angle 2? Yes. Very good. Angle 10. Okay, that is correct. How about angle 12, love?
Kakabati na bigas.
Sudan mo na sudan.
Maray
Correct. How about
kulang ang
angle 11?
Oo, kita
Angel. Charles Angel. Charles Angel pala kayo.
Okay, angle 11, love, angle 6. So are the answers are correct, class?
Yes.
Sure.
So exterior angles and adjacent interior angles are supplementary angles. Again, what do you mean by the word supplementary? What is the measure of supplementary angle? 180 degrees. So this is also known as the exterior angle theory. So the notice one will have a group activity. So you will choose a leader, and a presenter, and a secretary. Okay, so I want you to choose color blue. So you will answer this one. So wait for my instruction. Color.
Dapat siya 30 minutes yan.
Kaya nasa rin siya. Kaya nasa siya.
Okay, group leader, come to the front and get your protractor and your pencil. Okay, come here. 5, 4,
Amat kaya naging
3,
Okay, mabuhay na
Kaya ano natin? Kaya ano po nung ka-longer.
Okay, so our activity, our group activity is measure and okay, class, everybody listen. Last class.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, last class. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so our objective at the end of the lesson, the students are expected to measure the exterior angle and its adjacent interior angles in a polygon. So you will share your observation made from table 1 in activity. Right, so you are going to measure the polygon. Okay. And you will write your answer in the table. You will write the measure.
Sure. I have trust issues. Okay, that's not sure.
And after that, you are going to input your answer here in the PowerPoint presentation. So you will choose one student from your group, one classmate to input your answer. The first one to input their answers, I will give additional Okay, are you done? Okay, come here. Write the answer. Oh, you write the Okay, how about, so the name of your group class is that kind of polygon. So your group name is square. Okay, how about, you are? is the name of your group?
Group triangle.
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 Picture one lang.
Then after this, you are going to put your word on the board. The figure and the table.
Ito picture ko na gawas na. Okay. Ikaw, nag-teach ka
Okay,
nito.
how about the next group? Are you done?
Picture mo na. Paggawas mo, picture ka picture to ka.
Picture 1 again.
Pila ka picture sa formation. Hindi mo nagkuha ka ng master.
Are you done, group?
Depende nga na kita
So you will
kuha sa
put
master yun. Kita mga promo.
Waray, hindi na kayo. Ano, screen na. Sa DepEd na.
Mapat.
Pero kung ano,
Pwede ka.
anak ka sa 1.
Ikaw pala. Pili na makadarami.
40.
Sa'yo?
Dere. Biliran.
Okay, so they are done, class.
Parayo.
Ay, kasi biliran. Kaibiran. Kaibiran. Sa kaibiran. At mga kompito na bagay sa kaibiran. Ay, mga karakter. May kompito.
May lagi, sir.
Color blue is what
Ay,
group?
nakikita sa kay tapos.
Lagi. Sarang ko may ada festival, may ada singer, may ada party, may attorney.
Okay, so I want you to observe, class, the answer of your groupmate. So, square. So where is the group square?
And
Group square.
Jilan Mayo.
Okay, so your answer is 90, 90, and 180. So we have here the table and...
Kasi,
So, sino yung nakakuha ng question number 1? Question number 1. Okay, stand up and answer the question.
What do you notice about the nature of the exterior angle?
wag ano ka na, stroke here.
What I notice about our answer with the
Last year man.
exterior and
Okay, other group is listen to group square.
is that
Nauli mo nito.
the measure angles inside is greater than the outside, or the exterior angles is less than. Then if you're going to add the both angles, the exterior and interior, you will get a sum of 180 degrees.
Okay, that is correct. So, how about number 2? So, sino yung nakakuha ng number 2? Group? What group are you?
Triangle.
Okay, group triangle. Answer number 2.
What is common to the sum in the last column? The common to the sum in the last column is 180 degrees. So all of the different polygons, the sum is 180 degrees.
Very good, class. So, they have a very great idea. So, as you can see, different kind of polygons, the sum or total are 180 degrees. So, do you understand? Okay, sino yung nakakuha ng number 3? What group?
Engine 3. Describe the position of these two angles. What is common? So they are adjacent and they have a common side and vertex.
Okay, so as you can see, they have the same common side and common vertex, and they are next to each other. The exterior angle and adjacent interior angle. How about number 4?
Hexagon.
Group hexagon.
What conclusion can be drawn from your observation? So, as you can see sa haluskanan is the measure of the exterior angle and the measure of adjacent angle if added is equal to supplementary angle for 180.
Okay, so when we add two angles, the measure is 180 degrees. They are supplementary angles. So let's have to analyze this one class. So everybody read the problem. Again, everybody.
When constructing the roof of a house, determine the measure of the exterior
Okay, we have triangle, another. Okay, we have square. How about the roof class? Is this triangle or quadrilateral? Triangle. How about this one? The door. Rectangle or quadrilateral? How about the window? Quadrilateral. Next, number 2. Everybody read number 2.
What are the interior angles of the roof?
Okay, what are the interior angles of the roof? We have angle 1,
Two.
angle 2,
Angle three.
How about the exterior angle? We have
Angle
Okay,
4.
angle 4. Do you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
teacher.
Okay. Number 3, everybody?
Which interior angle is adjacent to angle 4?
Okay. Who would like to answer?
Iba na, ma'am.
Ivana? How about Nico? Stand up, Nico.
Iba naman.
Angle 3, ma'am. Okay, very good. So the adjacent interior angle of angle 4 is
Angle 3.
Next. Everybody read. If the measure of angle 4
If the measure of angle 4 is 135 degrees, what is the measure of its adjacent interior angle?
Okay, again, what do you think is the sum of the supplementary angle?
180.
If our measure of angle 4 is 135 degrees, what do you think is the measure of angle 3?
45 degrees.
Wala si Piolo, ma'am. Piolo. Piolo.
Who would like to answer?
Piolo.
Anyone from the class?
Piolo. 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 Napolo. Napolo. Piolo.
So everybody class, the correct answer is 45 degrees. So we are going to subtract 180 with 135 degrees. So, do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what I have learned about exterior and adjacent interior angle. So, ano yung natutunan niyo ngayon?
Very good yan, ma'am.
Ano yung natutunan natin ngayon? What is our lesson class? What have you learned about exterior angle? Anyone?
Interior, they are
Okay, stand up.
Exterior angles. Their angles lies outside the polygon.
How about the adjacent interior
Okay,
angle?
adjacent interior angles, closer angles lies inside the polygon.
Okay, very good. Again, exterior angles are outside. Angles outside is the polygon. So how about the sum of the exterior angle and its adjacent interior angle? What is the sum?
180.
Yes, stand up.
180 degrees.
Very good. So the sum is 180 degrees. Are they supplementary or supplementary? Okay, so how can we connect polygons and angles to our everyday lives? So in this classroom, have you seen polygons?
Yes.
How about our TV? Is this a polygon?
Yes.
Yes. So who can answer this one? How can we connect polygons? Yes, Kimber. Stand up.
Okay, we can connect polygons and angles our everyday lives through construction like this, the classroom. So if we apply the knowledge that we get from this, the exterior and interior, we can out with an equal measure. So dili siya mahiwi, dili ko siya maguba.
Okay. But that's a very good idea of how about Nika? Okay, how about Nika? This is how Nika. How can we connect polygons and angles to our everyday lives? Kung may nakikita ka ba dito, Nika, ng mga polygons and angles?
Nandito. Dito yung mga polygons.
Okay,
A green board has sides, it has a vertex, and how we are going to connect that to one without board, maybe that I need to susulatan during the class.
Okay, so very good, Nika. So, we see polygons class every Okay, so when I say a polygon, it consists of line segment or curve segment? Line segment. So a circle, is it a line or a curve? Okay, so when I say a circle, it is a curve, right? So is it a polygon or not? No. Okay, so circle is not a shape. Okay. So everybody read side instances.
Side instances for knowledge of polygons and angles is useful in a practical context.
Okay. So practical context, like for example, we use polygons in construction, in architecture, in engineering.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, sinabi ko na yung sagot class. Sinabi ko yung idea. Sinabi ko na yung ano. Yes. Yan, bayan.
For example, ma'am, sa TV, so if we make the TV triangle, do you think it's very practical if the TV is triangle? Is it practical so...
As you can see,
Yeah, so that's important. You should make it like that.
so we should make it rectangle so that we can see the word.
For example, ma'am, never mind.
Are you sure, Rico?
Yes, ma'am, that's
I think
fine.
Rico class is learning. You should ask questions. Okay. Sige. So are you ready for a quiz? Yes. Okay, get your quiz notebook.
Okay.
Okay. Are you? Okay. Are you done?